National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Tarrant County in north central Texas until 7:15 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 4 miles northwest of Pecan Acres, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Pelican Bay around 6:25 p.m., Pecan Acres and Daysel around 6:30 p.m., Eagle Mountain around 6:40 p.m., Hazlet and Lakewood around 6:50 p.m., Saginaw and Sansom Park around 6:55 p.m., Blue Mountain around 7 p.m. This will impact the following interstates: Interstate 35 west between mile markers 54 and 70, Interstate 820 between mile markers 8 and 26. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.